today we're going to unbox this graphics card 1650. All right, and this is the most famous graphics card in the world, and nowadays it is in India. You get a very cheap price at only 12,000 rupees, which is less than $100. So 12,000 rupees is a very cheap price, what I can say, for this graphics card. It used to sell at 17 to 80,000. And the best part of this graphics card is that you will get the rendering. So if you are a YouTuber, if you want to edit a video, or if you want to work on the Photoshop, so this graphic card will help you a lot for your all the editing needs. And those who once loved to play games, so mostly games will be playable in this graphic cards, and you may not be getting the 4K quality, but 1080p quality will also be available with this graphic card. So this is what we get. We're talking about GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card, one of the best graphics card right now in the market, and we got it from Zorak Gaming. All right, so it gets 4 GB RAM, ddr5 and ddr6 I think, and ddr6 12. All right, so let's just quickly unbox it and we see what's inside. So yes, unboxing it with that in one hand is quite tough. All right, so we get this manual and here's the graphics card. All right, it looks quite heavy. So what we have in the manual is from Zorak. It's live to game, but I'm not really a gamer. I just do edit the video, and what I check and find out suggested that this graphic card is best for editing. Okay, so this is the manual, I guess, welcome letters and installation guide. All right, so there are some drivers available on GeForce which we need to install later on. And now come to the main part, this graphics card. All right, so let's just pull it out and I will show you how does it look. So that's how the graphics card looks like. It comes with a HDMI port, a display port, and this DM port. Okay, so basically it comes with two fans from Zorak. The two fans, 70mm fans, so it does a very nice job in the heating. And once you put this graphics card on your system, you just need this port, power port, to give it power, and it's good to go. Alright guys, so that's it about the unboxing video. If you liked the video, please do subscribe to my channel. We'll just quickly install it and show you in my next video, so do subscribe to my channel.